What is yoga? Is it the postures? Is it meditation techniques? Is it a retreat in India? Well, all of that and so much more. Yoga is a system to purify the mind and to achieve its full potential. A part of this is a healthy lifestyle based on self-discipline, because healthy mind can only live in a healthy body. Most of modern yoga, especially in the West, it focuses on practical benefits of yoga, like physical health, improved concentration, better sleep, mental health benefits, like the sense of peace, calmness, and the true happiness. Let's take a look at how the full yogic system looks like and where exactly these parts of postures, meditation, and health benefits fit in there. There are 4 major paths or branches of yoga. They are supposed to be applied side by side, with one supporting another. Later we'll maybe discuss why so, but now let's take a look at these 4 branches of yoga right away. Karma yoga. Karma yoga is a yoga of action and of selfless service. This means not thinking of one's own personal needs and desires and trying to help everybody around, including human beings, animals, the planet, and the whole world. This includes performing duties whether you like or dislike them, not be attached to the results of your work as a form of worship dedicated to God, where God can be anything, from shapes and forms to nature, universe, or just a sense of something being larger than us. Bhakti yoga. Yoga of devotion or divine love. It is the easiest way to practice. This includes prayer, chanting, ceremonies, and rituals. While being the surest and the easiest path, it can also be dangerous because the devotees can become fanatical. Even though the teaching is that there is one God, each person may start believing that only their belief is the only correct one. The benefits of this path is things like developing humility, self-surrender, and overcoming selfishness. Then comes Raja Yoga. Raja Yoga is a path that seems to be the best fit for the modern Western society. Parts of Raja Yoga are Mantra Yoga, Yoga of the Divine Name, Kundalini Yoga, Yoga of Energies, and Hatha Yoga, which is often referred to for postures and breathwork. The goal of Raja Yoga is purification of the mind. Purification of the mind through mastering the control of the mind. Another name for it is Ashtanga Yoga, the yoga of 8 limbs. Ashta means 8 in Sanskrit and Anga means limb. 8 limbs are like 8 steps of purification. They are yamas, restraints in the moral codex of yoga, niyamas, conducts in the moral codex, asanas, postures, pranayama, breathwork, pratyahara, withdrawal of the senses, dharana, concentration, dhyana, meditation, samadhi, the highest superconscious state. And Raja Yoga is what people mean most of the times when they say that they practice yoga, whether it is postures, breathwork, or meditation. The 3rd limb, asanas, it's the postures. And the limbs from 5 to 8, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi, are the meditation. First 2 of limbs, first 2 of the 8 limbs, yamas and niyamas, the moral codex, are often overlooked, even though they are the foundation of everything else. And the last one of 4 paths is Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga path is the intellectual approach to spiritual evolution. It is the most direct and the most difficult path at the same time, where the mind is used to examine its own nature. One has to develop non-attachment and be established in sattva. Sattva is purity to practice this path. The danger of it is that one can become proud of the intellectual powers that he has developed, and this will strengthen the impurity of the mind. It is recommended to balance jnana with bhakti yoga. These were the 4 paths of yoga and their connection to the stereotypes of how the modern yoga practice looks like. Let me know if you enjoyed the lecture or if you want a deep dive on something else in the field of yoga philosophy. And thank you so much for watching this.